Good day everyone, welcome. In this video I'll show you how to change URL of the page on Wix. So basically what this means, so you of course on your website have different pages. So for example, this is going to be my test store and this is going to be my home page. And also I have the top picks. This is going to be kind of like a store page. There's our story, basically different segments of the page. So if you want to change the URL, so when the person clicks on, for example, the store, you have a different link. When they go to the home page, they have a different link in the browser. So to do this, you just need to go to the Pages and menu. And as you can see, we have all of our pages here. So we have the site menu, store pages. As you can see, you can change links for all of this, dynamic pages, etc. So for example, let us think that I want to change my shop URL. All right, so you just basically choose it. You can click on it so that it shows on the screen, so that you make sure that you're selecting the correct page. Then you go to three dots and change link. After that, you go to web address. And as you can see, what's the web address URL of this page? I will basically have my store link. And if I go to my store page, I will have a certain link. So it's going to be my domain. And then we'll have the URL, but you can also paste a completely new URL in here. Of course, it will still have your basically site domain. So for example, shop, you can just insert something like shop at us, something like this, right? And also add the URL properly, like com or co or net, right? So something like this. And after that, after setting it, you just press on done and you will have the URL address. And that's pretty much how this is done, guys. Now you can easily set up your pages and add URLs to them so that it looks fancy and beautiful. Enjoy. If this helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe.